Plants are often perceived as passive organisms, rooted in place and silent in their existence. However, recent research has unveiled a fascinating world of communication among plants that challenges these assumptions. From signaling distress to sharing resources, plants have developed intricate methods to interact with one another and their environment. One of the most remarkable ways plants communicate is through chemical signals. When under threat from herbivores, for instance, many plants release volatile organic compounds, VOCs. These chemicals serve as distress signals, attracting predators of the herbivores or even alerting neighboring plants to bolster their own defenses. This chemical dialogue illustrates a complex network of interactions that enhances survival. In addition to chemical communication, plants also utilize a vast underground network known as the mycorrhizal network, or the Wood Wide Web. This network, formed by fungi that connect the roots of different plants, allows them to share nutrients and information. Through this symbiotic relationship, plants can warn each other about threats, share water, and even transfer sugars to those in need. Visual communication is another intriguing aspect of plant interaction. Studies have shown that some plants can respond to the presence of neighboring plants by altering their growth patterns. For instance, when surrounded by taller plants, certain species may grow taller themselves to reach sunlight, a phenomenon known as shade avoidance. This adaptive behavior highlights the ability of plants to perceive their surroundings and adjust accordingly. Plants also communicate through sound. Research has indicated that plants can detect vibrations from their environment, including the sounds made by insects. Some plants may even respond to these vibrations by altering their chemical makeup or growth patterns, showcasing a sensitivity that goes beyond mere chemical signals. Moreover, plants exhibit a form of communication that involves touch. Certain climbing plants can sense physical contact and will adjust their growth to ensure they can reach toward support structures. This tactile communication is crucial for their survival, allowing them to explore and adapt to their physical environment effectively. The implications of plant communication extend beyond survival. They also play a critical role in ecosystems. By communicating, plants can maintain biodiversity and promote healthy ecosystems. For instance, when one species thrives, it can positively affect the growth and survival of neighboring species, creating a balanced environment. As we continue to explore the secret world of flora, it becomes clear that plants are far more complex than previously thought. Their ability to communicate through various means underscores the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving these natural systems. What do you think about the fascinating ways plants communicate? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow our channel for more valuable information. Also, share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge.